In today's video, I'm going to show you what to do with all those extra calendars created by Google Classroom. I've got the teacher view on the left and the student view on the right. Essentially, you have three choices of what to do with unwanted calendars. First, you can hide it. Second, you can unsubscribe, or your third choice is to delete it entirely. Each choice has different pros and cons. I'm going to go here to my Google Calendar. I've got this 1920 Tech Club. This is a class that I archived. This is an important note. When you archive a Google Classroom, notice it does not do anything to the calendar, either for the teacher or for the student. So my student still is subscribed to this particular calendar, even though I've archived that class. So let's say I just want to hide it. To hide it, you can choose the three dots and just hide from list. It's hidden, it's gone, it remains on the student list. And there is a way that I can get this back relatively easy that I'll show you in just a second. Your second choice is you can unsubscribe from it. Unsubscribing is super easy because all you have to do is click the X. Are you sure you're no longer going to have access to it? The only way to gain this calendar back is if there's somebody who has the appropriate access to it, they can reshare it with you. Your final choice is to delete it permanently. To delete it permanently, you're going to click the cog up here in the top right, choose Settings, and notice if you scroll down, you have all of your calendars. And there's the 1920 Tech Club that I hid. If I wanted to get that back, it's just a quick click. Now it's back. Hide. Now it's viewable. Hidden. Not. Right now, I'm going to work on this 1920 Tech Club. If I want to remove this both from my calendar as well as students' calendar, select it. I'm going to choose go all the way down. Instead of unsubscribe, I'm going to delete. This means it will be permanently erased. As an elementary teacher using Google Classroom, my students are not relying on the calendar. I'm not relying on the calendar for that classroom, so I feel confident permanently deleting these. Not only does it clean up my Google Calendar, but it also cleans up students' Google Calendar, because I can just imagine them in middle school, high school having 50 plus calendars. Now, if you're a high school teacher and your students are more reliant on Google Calendar, they may want that history, and that may be useful for them, particularly if you've been attaching documents and other things. So you may not want to delete it. But as an elementary teacher whose students are not using Google Calendar, I feel confident permanently delete it. So I've deleted that, and if I refresh the student side, notice that calendar has now been removed. Now, if you were in the situation where you wanted to get rid of the calendar on your side, but you wanted to make sure students could still have access, I'm going to use this fall 2020 one as an example. If you as the teacher go ahead and unsubscribe from it, it's going to remove the calendar from your end, but it remains on the students. And then they can have the choice to either unsubscribe for it or delete it from their account. So I may recommend that method of unsubscribing if you're a secondary teacher and you feel like your students may want access to that calendar in the future. I'm going to go back. If you do choose that unsubscribe feature, the really easy way, instead of going into the settings, you can just click the X. So I'm going to unsubscribe from the spring 2020, and it is removed. And now I'm ready with just my Google Calendar for the upcoming school year. If you found this video helpful, please give it a like and consider subscribing for future tutorials. Until next time, bye everyone.